So, hey everybody, Assalamualaikum. This is Miotakam Gaming Wala. I'm a source from Karachi, Pakistan, and currently a proud student at Rehan School and Academy Foundational Batch 4. So, today I'm going to be asking some more questions with Maya on the topic wood, the backbone of early civilization. So, I guess let's start. So, Maya, I'm going to be asking some questions with you on the topic wood, the backbone of early civilization. So, my first question to you is that what were the primary uses of wood in early civilizations? Okay, so my next question to you is that how was you wood used early in early modes of transportations? So my next question to you is that which natural property of wood made it ideal for making tools and weapons? Okay, Maya, that makes sense. So my next question to you is that why was wood considered a renewable source in ancient times? Okay, so my next and last question is that how might early civilization have preserved wood supplies for future generation? Okay, so that's it for today, Unicorns. We'll see you next time. Till then, take care, everyone, and bye bye.